Okay, as I said, I would be posting another lie in an affidavit. This time, dead to rights. The police are absolutely refusing to uphold the Criminal Code of Canada. Here's the date of this affidavit, March 8th, 2021. Was submitted to a court, and decisions were made based on what was said. And here's what was said. On October 4th, 2017, Judge Gonzalez ordered, on consent, that the Family Court Assessment Service prepare a report reflecting custody. Okay. Then they said this order was made following receipt from a report from Dr. Wind on October 4th, 2017. Well, that's interesting because this is her own lawyer sending this on September 26th, recognizing that the first appointment was October 5th, 2017. October 4th, they claimed the judge made a decision based on this doctor's letter. Here's her own lawyer stating that my daughter is to be seen October 5th. Here's a letter from the doctor, completed December 11th, 2017, said that she saw my daughter on the 5th of October, and then the actual assessment was October 16th. So she lied in this affidavit, claiming that a judge made a decision based on a letter from a doctor that did not exist yet. And if that's not enough, here is the court endorsement from October 4th, 2017, where the judge says Dr. Wine did not begin counseling yet. And the family court shall conduct an order or an assessment between these parents. Both parents shall fill out the forms. It's hard to read this shorthand writing, I know. But the bottom line is, she lied here. Full on. She continues to lie by putting words not just into the judge's mouth, but she puts words into the doctor's mouth, saying, I hope that this assessment will resolve the psychosocial problems that this child is facing. Nope, that is not what she said. She said that she does psychiatric and not psychosocial. She says that, but her own development at this point is well within the norm. Says any behavioral issues are of a psychosocial nature rather than psychiatric. But she only knows what behavioral issues are from whatever the mother's telling her. It's not from what she noted from my daughter. As you can see, she said that, yes, she appears to be at risk, in view of the adult conflict, but my daughter's own development at this point is well within the norm. She completely lied in this affidavit sworn under oath. And if that wasn't enough, they also said that the Canark Center canceled our use of the service because of my behavior. Well, that's funny, because the real funny part to that is his own letter. Oh, here it is. Did you look at that? From, what's the date of this? October 19, 2015, where he says, I've been advised by my client that your client has unilaterally terminated the involvement of Canark. Yeah, so I terminated it because I didn't like the way I was being treated. They didn't terminate it because of my behavior. I just said, I'm not coming here anymore. I don't like the way I'm being treated. 2 lies, 2 separate paragraphs, 2 lies with a sworn affidavit. And then the cop is Peter Seargent of the Peterborough Police Professional Standards, says, oh, no, they meant this, he says, that on October 29th, they meant to say that order of October 29th was based on that letter. Meanwhile, as you just saw over here, no, October 4th was when he ordered the KFC, not chicken. This is the KFC, the family court assessment. They did not order it on the 29th. That was a trial scheduling, and it wasn't before him properly because this judge had stayed my motion. Peterborough police are assisting a transit driver because she works for the city, and they're protecting her from prosecution and being held accountable for Section 131 of the Criminal Code. She made this statement. She knew it was false. She knew it was false when she signed her name to it. And they're saying, oh no, it's just a logistical error. No, it is not. So the Peterborough police are corrupted, and they are helping city employees break the law. There you have it. It's all in black and white.